Hi, my name is Cody Bell with Jackson Dental in Jackson, Missouri. We're a smaller town of about 17 or 18,000 people, but we do draw from a pretty large area, and so we've grown our practice to be pretty good size. Given our area, we've got 14 operatories. We have myself and a partner and an associate that joined us a little over a year ago, and we stay busy and hopping. And so our technology in our office is key, and we use Dexis digital radiography, which I've always used digital radiographs ever since I graduated from dental school. So I don't feel that I can perform a high level of dentistry without them. And because we have a 14 operatory practice, obviously technology, including digital radiographs, can get fairly pricey when you're equipping that many ops with sensors and everything else. So the relationship that we've developed with Sodium Dental has really allowed us to be more efficient, because we've been able to acquire quite a few more sensors than we had before, and we had kind of prolonged doing that because of the cost. When you're adding another 5 or 6 sensors to a practice, it's a pretty sizable investment, or can be. But working with Sodium Dental, we were able to get a number more sensors at a fraction of the cost. To finish using a sensor. We met the gang of Sodium Dental at the Midwinter Dental Conference last year in Chicago. They're a great group of people, and just very easy to work with, very nice. They stand by their product and have a vast knowledge not only of their digital sensors, but technology and dentistry in general. And so they've become a great ally for us as we try and provide a high level of care for our patients. Not only were we impressed with the affordability of their product, but also the follow-up care and the service. And during the pandemic that we've all been dealing with in the world, and more personally in our practices, not many of the companies that we work with, took time to call and check in, and Sodium Dental did that, and that meant a lot to us. And we really feel like we've formed a close relationship with them, and been very happy with their product, how it performs, and the price.